Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I am Richie Mesquita for people who don't know me. I'm going to Ahmedabad to watch the finals between India and New Zealand. We got a last minute deal and I have my friend Nikano. He's not here around with me, but I'll show you later in the vlog. So it was like we were looking for flight tickets, but it was too expensive. We didn't find any train tickets, so we ended up going in the bus. Yeah, I didn't start the vlog before because I wasn't sure if I would be making a vlog or not, but then I thought so in the middle of the way, okay, let me start doing it. Alright, so we have boarded the bus right now and we are going to try Sundar Bourbon right from Gujarat. You ready for that, Nikita?
Baruch favorite.
Okay, so after a very long travel, we have reached Ahmedabad. Now we are heading to my cousin's house first. My cousin stays over here, so we'll be going there, freshen up, and then go towards the stadium. So right now we are at the spot where Air India flight had crashed in June 2025, if you remember about the previous scenario. So right behind is the buildings which are no more to be used, like it's been sealed afterwards by the government. So I'll show you around the whole picture in a proper video. So I cannot go deep inside, but that was a building where it crashed, and half of the part stayed over there, the back part, and the front part came towards this side, and it had a blast on all the buildings over here. So it was a doctors' society where a lot of doctors lost their life, and also the people who were inside the flight. Only one survival was there from that flight. You can see the flight, we just took off, Indigo flight. It just came in the same way, but the Air India was unfortunately crashed right on this building.
It's time for lunch. Let's go.
It's time for lunch now. We are super hungry as we only ate a little bit of breakfast this morning. So it's 2:20 right now. Until 3:30 probably we should be finishing the lunch and be ready to head towards the stadium. Alright, so it's time for lunch right now, and we are at a restaurant, Dakshin. So it wasn't like we wanted to try the Gujarati thali, but there was no thali over there. It was only a South Indian cuisine, so we left from there. Going to another place, probably we find something over there. Alright, so now to a different location because we wanted to actually try the Gujarati thali as we are only for one day in Gujarat. Akshar restaurant, let's see how it is. Masala papad to start with. Nikano, how is your review so far?
It's good, but I need some beer with it.
Unfortunately, you are in a dry state, bro.
Exactly.
Alright, for the lunch we have ordered sev tomato, aloo bhindi with the chapati and also some buttermilk on side. So let's not waste time and start eating now. To top up on some more, we also ordered for rice and dal. Nikano, how is your experience so far?
I don't like tomatoes, but this sev tomato, ultimate. Hands down.
Perfect. So you guys got the review now. How is Gujarat? Still more to explore. So that's it with the lunch now. We really enjoyed. Very delicious. Review was so good so far. Like amazing. Didn't expect like the vegetarian food is also that good. Nikano, what are your opinions now?
Great food, great food. I love their chas. Feels so refreshing.
Yeah, we were like tired, but the temperature over here is around 36 right now. So
More man.
Yeah.
Feels like 45.
feels like 45. Yeah. We are on our way to stadium. The stadium isn't too far from my cousin's location. You can see the roads are completely packed now. We are just nearby to the stadium. It's like not even 1 kilometer from here, but a lot of traffic. The crowd gearing up for the match. Bleed blue. So will the curse of Ahmedabad will be taken out? A match to be decided yet. All the chants coming for India. Crowd is very excited. So if you are planning to come to Ahmedabad for any of the games, expect walking a lot as at least 500 meters we had to take a walk, and now we are almost outside the gate. You can see the board over there. So done with the security. Just make sure you don't carry any coins or power banks when you're going on any of the stadiums. Just for the safer side, most of the stadiums they don't allow it. I've been to a lot of stadiums and a lot of cricket games before, but this one is a crazy experience so far. Like this is the biggest stadium in the world for the cricket. So a lot of crowd entering it. It's not even like 5:30 yet. 5:30 the show starts for the pre-opening show starts. So yeah, there's a lot of time and a lot of crowd behind me, as you can see. So here is the last check-in thing, like where they take your tickets. And now we have to look for the stand K. OMG, just look at that ground, how big it looks. I'm still not yet in the stand, this is just the first glimpse. I've never seen a cricket ground so big. A lot of people yet to come, it's not yet packed, but the excitement is real. So the pre-opening show have started. Falguni Pathak performing the first song. So the next performer is Sukhvinder. I hope all of the Indians know who is he. And the last performer of the day, Ricky Martin. So done with all the shows, now the captain's getting ready for the toss. India! 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 India!
It's the biggest stadium in the whole wide world of the sport. And the clash coming up is between two hemispheres in front of a capacity crowd of close to 120,000. And it will be the venue for this all-important clash. This is the World Cup T20 final. And it's a defending champions India who take on New Zealand. And for the young cricketer from Gujarat, Shreya, land over the point to Andy Pycroft. Return gets it to Schwartz.
The next is everyone's favorite, the national anthem.
Please rise for the national anthem of New Zealand, performed by Sheena Randall and India.
It's time to begin the finals of the T20 World Cup 2026. After the drama in the first innings, it's time for some light show in between the innings. Looks so beautiful, well organized. I will be posting a separate video for the light show as it's too big for this one. So let's continue with the vlogging. You know you are in Gujarat when you see a kite flying in the middle of the stadium. It's coming from outside. and it's that moment what we all were waiting for, to see them lift that trophy. Crazy day it has been. What an insane experience. It was my first time at this stadium and it was super good. Very well day spent. What a match was it? What's your views?
Amazing. Pesa Vasool.
Yeah, we paid like a lot of money for this. Not a lot, but yeah, something worth the money, I would say. So if you ever get a chance, finals in Ahmedabad, yes, go for it. The blue wave is getting out happily out of the ground. So this was the special train released only for today, for all the cricket fans to come and support Team India at the Motera Stadium, the Narendra Modi Stadium, which will be going back to Mumbai now. Alright, so we are at Ahmedabad station right now, and it's time for me to end this vlog. It was very quick, not even like 24 hours in Ahmedabad, but very good experience, memorable. Ciao ciao. Nikano is very sleepy, he's not. Cheers guys. Cheers and see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.